Hey. So how's everything going in Turkey this morning?
Emerging markets is a 24-hour news cycle. We try to live the news flow versus being reactive to the news flow.
The only other thing that we would probably want to think about just on that is the correlation with the duration.
I'm Pramol Dhawan. I'm the head of emerging markets here at PIMCO. Typically, my day starts by looking at my phone, checking emails, getting updates from what's happened overnight in Asia, in Europe, so that we can catch up with the news flow in the New York time zone. Once we're up to speed, then we have daily calls, which help us to harmonize that news flow and distill it into actionable ideas for our portfolios. Emerging markets overtook the US as the largest pool of credit in the world. 20 years ago, there was very few countries, and now there's over 80 countries. We philosophically believe that this is an asset class that necessitates being well-resourced. We do that by having a large geographically dispersed team. There's almost 100 people covering emerging markets. Scale is important to everything we do at PIMCO. Our scale is our single biggest advantage in this asset class. And it's not just a scale in terms of resources that we have, it's a scale in terms of the investments that we put to work in these countries. PIMCO's really been at the forefront of this asset class for over 25 years. That means that policymakers, whether it's central bankers or governments, they know us as a long-term investor, a really reliable long-term partner within their countries. PIMCO's reputation, size, and history within these countries allows us access that we can have very candid conversations. The ability for us to be geographically present on the ground in many of these countries has allowed us to create and cultivate very strong relationships. That not only gives us great access to deal flow, but good access to information. Our investment approach is slightly different than most others on the street. Most others will be more top-down focused. We really harmonize that with a bottom-up approach. That really focuses on security selection. It focuses on optimizing the beta of the asset class, which is a very difficult beta to be able to replicate. So we have systematic tools, algorithms which run on our portfolios, which help us to deliver that beta in just a much more efficient way for our clients. The Emerging Market Portfolio Committee is effectively the uploader of the emerging market view to the firm, but the downloader of the investment committee risk factor views and macroeconomic data. That's really what we're trying to gain from our firm's investment committee to help us to understand what's in market pricing, what the trajectory of monetary policy may be in the US, and really looking to that as a playbook to help guide our emerging market investments. For us to have that symbiotic view with the firm's investment committee is essential. It's an essential part of our investment process. I love helping our clients and really being a trusted partner to help them navigate the volatility within this asset class.